goodness. Welcome back, folks. That's another episode of Oregon Motorcycle. And ooh, there's Juan. Yay, Juan's here. Waiting on one more rider, you guys. This is the Thursday Eastsiders ride. I'm out today with the Eastsiders. We got a nice host of bikes here, and oh, it's great. Well, folks, today we're going to talk about my ride, actually, my Oregon motorcycle ride that a lot of people have been talking about lately. I've been hearing it through the workings, the woodworkings. Got to keep my ear to the street, and I know you guys want it back. So I'm going to talk to you guys about that in this video, and explain to you guys when it's starting soon, and talk to you guys a little bit about it and all that good stuff. But first, this is your first time tuning in, guys, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button if you're liking my content. You guys can share this stuff, you guys can hit the notification bell. I like to gain subscribers so I can get some more views, so I can grow my channel. And we do all kinds of motorcycle stuff on this channel. I have friends that ride with me all the time. We have cool bikes, we do cool stuff, and I work on motorcycles right now. I'm in the process of working on my YSR. So my next video on the YSR is probably going to be a brake rebuild video, a brake master cylinder rebuild. I have to rebuild my master cylinder on that, so I'm going to do that, and then yeah, and all kinds of good stuff. So let's go ride.
Nice though. You can off-road in that thing, by the way.
Yeah, I'm up about the... Alright, folks, so yeah, this is the Thursday ride, and finally catching up at work. I've been super busy at work, and that's part of the reason why I haven't started my ride yet. But if you guys are interested in a more beginner friendly atmosphere, basically my ride is a little more beginner friendly. We kind of just chill and take it slow, and we cater to beginners and try to help you guys out. You know, if you're just learning, or if you've never been on a group ride before and you guys are interested in that but are kind of intimidated by it, then join me on Wednesday nights. And I'm starting it in May, so the first Wednesday in May we'll start it. We'll do it every Wednesday night, and we meet at the Red Barn Car Wash in Oregon City, right there off the 205 freeway and the 212, I believe it is, Red Barn Car Wash. And if you guys follow my channel and subscribe to my channel, I'll do a community post every Wednesday to confirm. Now if it rains, like next Wednesday, is it next Wednesday is the first Wednesday in May? I'm not 100%, but like next Wednesdays there's predicting rain. So if it rains and I cancel the ride, you guys just check my channel and my community post, and you'll know if it's canceled or not. But the weather's starting to look pretty good, and we finally got the time changed, so we got a lot more. We got another hour or so to ride. I should have downshifted there, dang it. So we'll do the usual. We'll meet up at 5 o'clock. And do kickstands up at 5:30. And we'll go ride for a couple hours on these roads right here, these same roads. Just cruising through Oregon City and kind of into Malala a little bit. Beautiful, beautiful wheelies. This guy right here, Dave, man, this is, I'm telling you, this guy can wheelie like no other. It's so precise, so controlled. Oh man, I love when I can ride next to this dude and he's pulling wheelies and stuff. It's awesome. But yeah, so if you guys want to hang out for a little while and enjoy this awesome ride, I'm gonna play some tunes right now and do some riding. My GoPro's still on, so it's all good. And yeah. Folks, well, I hope you enjoyed today's episode of Oregon Motorcycle, and I hope you guys are interested in coming out and riding with me on my beginner friendly group ride, and that's going to be every Wednesday starting May 2021, the Oregon Motorcycle group ride, where we meet at the Red Barn Car Wash in Oregon City, right off the 205 freeway. If you guys have any questions, post them down below in the comments and all that good stuff. And I'll see you on the next video or on the next Oregon Motorcycle ride. So until next time, folks, Oregon Motorcycle.
Woo! Tight.
Getting tighter too.